Hello, thank you for joining us on ERi-TV. This is English news broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at 10:30 p.m. local time. Today is Sunday, 30th of July, 2023. First, the top stars. President Isaias Afwerki participates in Russian Navy Day celebration. In Af'abat Sub-Zone, activity assessment meeting has been conducted. Chinese president meets president of Mauritania and Burundi. Several killed in Thailand fireworks warehouse explosion. President Isaias Afwerki, on the invitation of President Putin, participated in the National Russian Navy Day celebration held today, 30th July. The main event took place in Russia's second-largest city, St. Petersburg, where Russia's naval force went on display with 45 warships, submarines, and other vessels sailing down the Neva River. Around 3,000 Navy personnel also took part in a parade on land, the Kremlin said. On the invitation of President Putin, President Isaias Afwerki attended the second Russia-Africa Summit convened on 27th and 28th July and met with his Russian counterpart on 28th July for extensive discussion on bilateral ties and international matters of mutual importance. President Isaias Afwerki and his accompanying delegation also visited various Russian development facilities and plants. A 6-month activity assessment meeting has been conducted in Af'abat Sub-Zone. At the meeting, Mr. Ahmed Mohammed Noor, administrator of the Af'abat Sub-Zone, reported that various activities with the view of ensuring safe potable water supply have been conducted with the cooperation of Adhal project and extensive popular campaign, including digging of wells, installation of water pipes, and establishment of reservoirs. He further stated that a dirt road connecting the port city of Massawa, Gulbub, and Me'ter is being constructed. The administrator went on to say that some areas in Af'abat town have been included in the town's master plan thanks to the assistance of the Ministry of Public Works. He further indicated that activities have been conducted with the view to expand the service of the microdams in Gabgab and Mehdaf, and that the implementation of environmental sanitation, particularly toilet coverage, has reached 90% in Af'abat Sub-Zone. In the activity report presented, Mr. Ahmed Mohammed Noor, administrator of the Af'abat Sub-Zone, stated that various development programs, including construction of potable water distribution system in Af'abat town, installation of water pipeline from Shabait Dam, as well as extensive water and soil conservation activities are charted out for the second half of 2023. The participants on their part conducted extensive discussion on the report presented and called for the integrated effort in realizing the remaining unimplemented chart-out programs. The residents of Adhwala Sub-Zone extended financial and farming activity support to families of martyrs and disadvantaged nationals. Accordingly, farmlands of over 854 families of martyrs and disadvantaged families have been plowed through popular campaign in 22 administrative areas of the Sub-Zone. Moreover, over 52,500 nafa has been distributed to 147 families of martyrs in Samamo, Kusum Dongolo, and Ad-Ibrahim administrative areas. Mrs. Nabiat Bahalabi, head of the PFDJ in Adhwala Sub-Zone, stated. Mrs. Nabiat further said that the noble act will continue with great zeal. We'll be back in a couple of seconds with international news. Stay tuned. Chinese President Xi Jinping met on Friday with Mauritanian President Mohammed alShaykh Gazwani in Chengdu, capital city of southern West China's Sichuan province. The meeting between the two heads of state sealed the cooperation between the two countries in fields ranging from the economy to education and medical support. President Xi thanked the Maritime president for his support concerning China's core interests. After the meeting, the two heads of state witnessed the signing of the plan on advancing Belt and Road cooperation. Also, on Friday, the Chinese president met Burundian president in Chengdu. The Burundian president is on an official visit to China to attend the opening ceremony of the 31st summer edition of the FISU World University Games. During the meeting, the heads of states reinforced the links between the two countries and stressed the need for increased cooperation. The Burundian president also reiterated that his country firmly adheres to the One China principle and believes that Taiwan is an unalienable part of China. An explosion has ripped through a firework warehouse in southern Thailand, killing at least 9 people and injuring more than 100 others. This is according to officials. The blast in the town of Sungai Kolok in the southern province of Narathiwat yesterday is thought to have been caused by welding during construction work on the building, the provincial governor said. A warehouse storing firecrackers in Sungai Kolok exploded this afternoon. The latest number is 9 dead and 115 injured. The Narathiwat Province Public Relations Department said at least 118 people were injured and that residents of more than 200,000 were affected. It said that officials believe there are still a number of people trapped under the debris. The blast caused damage in the debris of about 500 meters, it said. Videos also posted on social media from the site showed a huge plume of smoke over the area and many damaged structures, cars and motorbikes, as well as streets covered with debris. Now we have a quick recap of the top stories. President Isaias Afwerki participates in Russian Navy Day celebration. Enough Abbott Subzone Activity Assessment meeting has been conducted. Chinese president meets president of Mauritania and Burundi. Several killed in Thailand fireworks warehouse explosion. It was Miss Alim Berhana with the news for tonight. Thank you for being with us. Have a good night.